Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Vechain, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest update of the Vechain, and guys, what's the feature of Vechain? Let me show you. But guys, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about Vechain. The current live price of Vechain in the market is 0.1335 for $1. Vechain is still a low price coin in the market. Furthermore, guys, if you look the changes of the Vechain, so you can see here just only the last 1 hour chain is negative. And except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, changes occurring in the Vechain in the market is positive. I'm talking about the latest situation, last 60-minute situation is negative. But guys, that's not mean then it is continuously false. No, there is a temporary fall. Now you can see here from this price chart, it's clear that Vechain is a profitable coin and Vechain is in the pumping mode. They have no idea till the price falls down. No, guys, not possibility that the price falls. Just pump. And 100% the changes of the Vechain is positive in the market in the last 1 month. So changes is going good. If you are a holder, so please hold, and if you want to buy, so please buy now because the price is low of Vechain. And you know what, guys, the people target for a Vechain is a $1. $1 is target. What is your target for a Vechain? Tell me in the comment box. And also subscribe my channel for more updates and news videos.